did her wrong and forced a girl to exit. Damn, Bradley, tell me what is going through your head. You think you are the man because bitches are in your bed? You think these bitches would give a fuck if you if I'm dead? I'm a harder like your dad, you need the Bible instead. Damn, Bradley, what the fuck you think is going on? You think it's alright, but everything is going wrong. Thank God you got your mom in you, so you be staying strong. But keep this type of shit up, promise you won't stay long. Damn, Bradley, wake up, I need your ass to wake up. That fake image you hide behind, you treat it like it's makeup. You need to be yourself and show the world what you are made of. You acting like you somebody else, why did you change up?
Somebody else on me, it ain't on the surface. But you talk like yourself, no, I hear someone else, but now you're making me nervous.
Hey, damn Jerome, what the fuck happened to you? You know that people looking up to you, they think you that dude. Back when you was living with her, your confidence through the roof.